everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this is one of 4 cards that I've been doing with the Spellbinders 25, July 25 at least, club kits. And so this one is using the final little critter that you can make here. You can make the Santa, the reindeer and the penguin. So we're going to do the penguin today. And this is called, you would think I'd know this by now, this is called Cocoa Greetings. And it creates these cute little like mugs, which is adorable. And then for the sentiment, I'm using the October 22 Outline Christmas Sentiments, which is a great set to have because you have the little bubble, if you like, that goes around the scripty words. And there's a whole bunch of them that you can combine to make different sentiments for your holiday projects. So that is a beautiful one. And then also from the Spellbinders 25 club kits is the Glimmer of the Month. And this one is called Artic Glimmer. And you get a full A2 size plate, glimmer plate, and a couple of sentiments. I used this not to foil with, which I need to get back into, but honestly it's so hot here I don't want to put anything else on that's going to create more heat. So given that it's July when I'm filming this, but this is, I use this, and I often do this with the glimmer plates, is use them as embossing, kind of like embossing plates. So what I mean by that is I would use my in the Spellbinders their die cut machine, they give you all the plates that come with it to be able to emboss using your dies, but I use these. And so what I was hoping I was going to get was the embossed version, so you can kind of see it there, but I put this piece of paper, this is a one-sided piece of paper, I actually put this the wrong way around, so I landed up with the debossed version of it, which I actually really love. So this is the debossed version of this plate. So oh, this paper is like it has a pink tone to it. It's kind of like a rosy pink kind of colour, and it's like a brushed metal, metallic. And this is a Tonic Studios, came in a 6x6 paper pack. So I've been trying to use more of those kind of things, and what better time than Christmas. So yeah, so that's what I used it for instead. So, you know, if it's too hot to put the machine on, use it for something else. You could, you know, ink over it and do all sorts of fun stuff. So I have an A2, standard A2, this is Schoolhouse Red, I believe, from not Spellbinders, Simon Says Stamp. And it's 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. This little note card set came in one of the kits whenever, I can't remember. So all I'm going to do is stick this, and I put adhesive all the way around and in the middle. And which way did I want to put this? I think I want the big snowflake in the bottom. So I'm just going to add this. That's just 1/4 inch smaller than the main card. So it would be 4 by 5 1/4. And so there's that beautiful. I love that it's not super shiny like mirror, because mirror always freaks me out. I don't know why, but it does. So I think for this one again, should I do this up here? Oh, put the words the right way around, that would be useful. I'm going to have holiday cheer, and then I was going to have my little, there's my little dude. Isn't it cute? This is just a snowflake that was also in the die set, and I just used some like dark pink glitter cardstock. But isn't she sweet? Little cheeks and everything. So I think I might pop her down there. Just so that it's a little bit different from the other ones. Or I could just do it how I was going to do it. Holiday cheer. I feel like the sentiment needs to go up here. So I'm going to pop her on first this time. I think with the other ones I did it the other way around. So because we're going on to an embossed piece of, although we're using the debossed side, embossed piece of cardstock, I always add a bit of wet adhesive to the back of the foam. Just helps it stick better. And then I think I'm going to have her about there. And then we will do this. Holiday cheer. Why is this not working for me? Right, so let's see if I can get enough adhesive on here. I think I remembered why I wanted it at the bottom, because now you've got these colours right next to each other. Ah! Oh well. That's why I broke it up by putting these two same colours I used in the frosting. I was going to have them down here to break that up, but that's what happens when you sometimes change your mind. It's still very cute. And there you go. Told you it was easy. So very, very simple. Yes, the die cutting takes a little bit of time, but it's not end of world stuff. I just stuck a program that I liked on in the background, and then I just sat and die cut a whole bunch of pieces. So there you go, guys. Hope you've enjoyed this, and until next time, bye for now.